Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our 8th session related to Python and we are going to continue the same topic, that is chapter 3, data structure for us. So open Python ideally, and today we are going to learn a new thing, that is dictionaries. So in our previous 2-3 sessions, we have as of now learned about lists and tuples, right? Now today we will see how to create dictionaries and what is actually a dictionary. So what is dictionary? Dictionary is a much powerful than list and tuples. Okay, it is somewhat similar to list, but here the element is not indexed like 0, 1, etc., but by your own specific keywords. Okay, so let's see how to create a dictionary. So I am defining a dictionary now. Variable A, we need to use third bracket. First of all, we need to mention the key and then the value of the key. So this is the format to create a dictionary. Okay, so that is why we have mentioned here own specific keyword. So we can use our own specific keyword to create a dictionary. Okay, so hit enter. Now we are going to see how to find value by using your keyword. So we want to see the value. Okay, so how you can do that? So mention the variable A and your key. So what is the key we have mentioned here? This is the key. So we are going to mention the same thing. Hit enter. So we got the output, that is the value. Okay. So let's see some more examples. A equal to, again, I am creating a dictionary or defining a dictionary. So this is the keyword. And suppose the value is 1. Okay, hit enter. Now we want to see or get the output of value. Then we have to mention our keyword. Hit enter. So we have got the output 1. Let's see one another example. So this is our key. 1 is a key. Okay. Now against 1, we are going to define our value. Similarly, 2 is a key. And against our key, we are going to define our value. Okay. Now suppose you want to see the value of 3. Okay, so we are going to use this keyword. A, third bracket, we need to mention our key. 3, third bracket closed, hit enter. So we have got the output of 3. Okay, now we are going to see how to add a new value in dictionary. So to add a new value in the dictionary, we are going to use, so this dictionary we have already formatted. Okay. So within this same existing dictionary, we are going to add some new values. Okay. So what we are going to do, so again, we have to use the keyword. So I am using the keyword as 4 equal to, I am giving the value. Okay. Hit enter. Now, if you want to see the structure of the dictionary, then just put A and hit enter. See, initially we created the dictionary up to 3. Now we have added the fourth element of the string, which is 4. Okay. So by using this method, you can add new string or the element in the existing dictionary. Now we will see how to delete a particular element or string from dictionary. So we'll mention here del A. Suppose we want to delete 4. Okay. So we have to mention third bracket, the keyword, which is 4 for us. Okay. Hit enter. Now just print A and see the structure. Look, see, we have deleted 4 successfully. It's not there. Okay. So by using this method, you can able to delete the string. Now, how to see all the keywords in a dictionary. How to see all the keywords in a dictionary. So as of now, if you see, we have used 1, 2, and 3 keywords. Okay. Now, how you can see all the keywords of a dictionary in a single shot. So you have to use keys. Okay. If you hit enter, you can see all the keywords in a single shot, which is 1, 2, and 3 for us. Similarly, how to see all the values in a dictionary. You have to use a predefined function values. Okay, hit enter, and you can see all the values of the dictionary, which is and 1 for us. Okay. Okay, now understand one thing. If you see the current structure of the dictionary, we have a keyword 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but suppose if I mention here a third bracket, our key 1. So what I will get in return? I will get in return the value against the key. So the value against the key 1 is 1, correct? So hit enter. I have got the out. But for an example, if I use the keyword A4, whether this keyword is available, if you see the current structure, this keyword 4 is not available as of now. So what I will get, probably I will get some error message. Okay, so hit enter. Now see, it is giving us a error message. So we are going to see now another way to get the value without getting any error message. So what we are going to use, we are going to use a new thing, which is get. So first of all, we are going to mention our key. Suppose as of now, I am using 1, comma, and if 1 is not available, means this keyword 1 is not available, then as a output, we will get none. Okay. So in this case, if you hit enter, we are going to get the output as 1 because this one keyword is already available. If you see, this one keyword is already available. So we should get the value 1 as a output. So if I hit the enter now, I am getting the output as 1. But if I use the same example, A4, which we used previously, so let's use the same example by using get. Okay. So now I am mentioning our key as a 4. And if this keyword is not available, then we are going to get the output as none. So that's what I am defining here. So in this case, as the keyword 4 is not available, then definitely we are going to get the output as none only. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, sorry, I did a mistake here. A.get. So use the same key as 4, which is not available. And if 4 keyword is not available, then we should get the output as none. That is what I have defined here. Okay. So let's hit enter now. Now see, we have received the output as none. So what exactly we are trying to say here, if a particular keyword is not available in your dictionary, then instead of getting this error message in return, you can mention some default message which will come if that particular keyword is not available. Okay. So in this case, as the keyword 4 is not available in our dictionary, so it return the default message which is none. Okay. And previously we have discussed how to delete a particular string or the element from the dictionary. So this is one of the way to delete the particular string from dictionary. There is one another way to delete the string or element from dictionary. Another way to delete from dictionary by using pop function. Okay. So suppose, let's see the current structure of the dictionary. So this is the current structure. Now suppose we want to delete this part from the existing dictionary. I am defining one another variable b equal to a dot pop, and now we are going to mention the keyword which is 3 for us because we want to delete this part. Okay, so hit enter. So here I have not used that double quotation, that is why I got this error message. So use this double quotation. Okay, so b equals to a dot pop 3. Now if you see the current structure of the dictionary, you can see we have already deleted this string, that is 3. Okay, so this is the existing dictionary which is left over. Now if you print b, you can see the string which we have already deleted. Look, see, we are getting the output as 3 if you print the b. So what exactly happened here? Value of the keyword 3 got stored in variable b. So when we are defining the thing like this way, then the value of that keyword got saved or stored in variable b. So that is why when you are printing variable b, we are getting the output as 3, which is nothing but the value of this keyword. Okay. Now, in case if you want to clear the entire dictionary, we will use clear function. Okay. So a dot clear, hit enter. So this one also got deleted. Now, if you print a, you are not going to get any output. Look, see, it's blank. That is the end of our today's class. I hope that you liked our session today. And also we have closed our data structure, that is chapter 3 discussion. In our next session, we are going to start our chapter 4, that is control loops. Till then, happy learning and see you in our next session.